Okay, I wanted to share a recipe with you. I'm fixing some appetizers for New Year's Eve, and I thought you all might like this. I'm just using a bag of Armour meatballs, the original flavor, not the Italian. It says there are about 28 meatballs in a bag, and I just bought these in the freezer department at my grocery store. I'm putting my crock pot on high, and I'm going to empty the whole bag in the crock pot. I've got a jar of Heinz chili sauce. I'm just going to empty that whole jar in here as well. When I first ate this, I was like, that's crazy. Why would that taste good? But it's so good. Let me know in the comments if you've ever made it before and if you liked it. And the third ingredient is a half a jar of this grape jelly. I know a lot of you have probably made this before, and so you know what I'm talking about. So good. Sorry about that. A little bit more. You wouldn't think that sweet and spicy would go together, but it absolutely does. It's amazing. And the longer you let them saute, the better it tastes. So these would be really good. So I hope you decide to make them. Let me know if you do and what you thought about them. I'll try to insert a picture at the end when we get ready to eat them. Okay, so this is what the meatballs look like after it's heated for about 30 minutes. The longer it sits here, the better they'll be. So I'll check back with you in a little bit. I let mine cook on high in the crock pot for 2 hours, and they turned out amazing.